Welcome! In this beginner-friendly tutorial, I'll show you how to use Oracle Hospitality step by step. We'll cover reservations, guest management, billing, and daily hotel operations so you can manage your hotel efficiently and provide a better guest experience. In today's fast-moving hospitality landscape, delivering a seamless guest experience requires more than excellent service. It demands smart, integrated technology. Oracle Hospitality, a leading hotel management solution, empowers hoteliers to unify operations, manage bookings in real time, and create personalized experiences that keep guests coming back. Oracle Hospitality brings together essential hotel functions like reservations, check-ins, housekeeping, and on-site dining into one centralized system. Designed for both independent properties and global chains, the platform helps hospitality teams automate routine tasks, improve service speed, and make data-driven decisions to boost profitability. In this video, you'll learn how Oracle Hospitality simplifies hotel operations through its powerful features. We'll explore its capabilities, real-world benefits, and why it remains a trusted solution for thousands of hotels worldwide. So for its key features and benefits, first is the centralized property management system. Oracle's PMS is the control center for your hotel. Staff can access real-time data on room availability, guest status, and billing through a unified dashboard. The PMS handles check-ins and check-outs, early departures, late arrivals, and group bookings with ease. Mobile access enables front desk agents to assist guests anywhere on the property. This increases operational efficiency, reduces check-in queues, and ensures every department works from the same up-to-date information. Another key feature is the smart reservation and booking engine. The platform supports multi-channel bookings, including your hotel's website, global distribution systems, and online travel agencies, with automated room inventory and pricing updates. It includes upsell options like room upgrades or add-on services during the booking process. This maximizes room occupancy and average daily rate, while reducing manual errors and overbooking risks. Another key feature is the housekeeping and maintenance coordination. Oracle Hospitality connects housekeeping staff with front office operations via mobile tools. Real-time room status updates, maintenance ticketing, and priority scheduling ensures quick turnovers and guest satisfaction. Staff can flag minibar usage, report lost and found items, and update room readiness on the fly. This improves interdepartmental communication and speeds up room preparation, helping you meet check-in timelines with ease. Another key feature is the integrated point of sale. Oracle's POS solution works across hotel restaurants, bars, room service, and retail shops. Staff can easily charge items to guest rooms, split checks, manage loyalty points, and track inventory. All transactions sync automatically with the PMS for consolidated billing and reporting. This enhances the guest experience by providing frictionless purchases and accurate billing, while boosting revenue from non-room services. Another key feature is the guest profile and loyalty management. Each guest's preferences, previous stays, booking behavior, and feedback are stored in detailed profiles. The system supports personalized marketing campaigns, tailored loyalty programs, and custom offers. References like room type, dietary needs, and special requests can be automatically applied. This builds long-term guest relationships through personalization, encouraging repeat visits and higher lifetime value. Another key feature is the advanced analytics and business intelligence. Built-in analytics tools offer insight into occupancy rates, revenue per available room, average length of stay, and labor efficiency. Custom dashboards let managers monitor trends, segment guest behavior, and forecast demand with AI-driven models. This provides the strategic intelligence needed to optimize pricing, staffing, and promotions in real time. So why is Oracle Hospitality a great choice? Oracle Hospitality isn't just software. It's a comprehensive ecosystem that helps hotels of all sizes manage daily operations, enhance service quality, and increase profitability. Its modular design allows properties to adopt only what they need and expand as they grow. In 2025, Oracle continues to lead innovation in hotel technology by offering AI-enhanced forecasting, mobile-first experiences, and deeper integration with third-party tools like CRM systems, channel managers, and payment gateways. So its global support infrastructure, multilingual capabilities, and localized compliance options make it ideal for properties operating across regions or serving international guests. So basically, managing a hotel in today's digital world requires more than spreadsheets and legacy systems. With Oracle Hospitality, hotels can bring together their front office, housekeeping, food and beverage, and guest engagement tools into one streamlined solution. So whether you're just getting started or modernizing a legacy system, Oracle Hospitality gives you the technology backbone to operate more efficiently, improve guest satisfaction, and grow revenue. So if you're serious about taking your hospitality operations to the next level in 2025 and beyond, Oracle Hospitality is a smart, future-ready investment. So start managing your hotel with confidence, simplify operations, delight your guests, and drive success with Oracle Hospitality. Thank you very much for watching this complete step-by-step guide. I hope this video helped you understand how to use Oracle Hospitality to manage hotel operations more efficiently and improve guest service management. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more practical business, hospitality, and software tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.